Welcome back to another episode, guys.
We're off to Point Turton at the Yorke Peninsula, so that'll be exciting. We've never been down that way before, so it's always interesting to go somewhere new. And the weather is very pleasant, so hopefully that stays like that.
Hold the buses. I just thought of something.
What?
Where we going?
Point Turton.
I better go and get my fishing gear.
Oh my God! There's always something.
Always. Good thing about the reverse camera is, like, you use it for reversing, but it's no biggie, I don't think. But travelling, being able to see cars behind you and all the rest, oh, that is just so good. You really don't even need your side mirrors with that on there. It just works a treat. So anyone thinking that it's just for reversing, it's not. It's for while you're travelling as well.
We have arrived. We're up the back, so we couldn't get a beachfront view. They were all taken, of course, but that's all right. So, nice little backdrop though we've got.
It's all right. Pizza oven too, though.
Yeah, that's actually a nice little camp kitchen, isn't it? When we rocked up, we had a few ants' nests around the place, so I had a look to see if I could find something to deter them. But all I could find was this, which is just your vinegar. Gave it a good spray and it worked. They disappeared. So that's been over, well, it's probably been 24 hours now and they haven't come back, so it worked a treat. Alright, so we've got these Caravan awning rope clips. There it is there. It just simply clips on your awning up here.
For people that don't know about it, like we didn't, we only just found out about them. I was putting a strap around there. Was that's brilliant. This square on there.
Perfect. That's good. So that was one of our little additions, and the other one was these safety straps. So when your awning's put away, just strap that on as well, just in case. Going for a swim?
Yes.
And we'll show you what we bought at Kmart, see how it works.
Yeah, should be good.
So these are the little units we bought from Kmart.
You're a little unit.
Gibbo's going to demonstrate how they work.
No, he's not.
Come on, Gibbo.
No, he's not. This is colder than the water in my fridge.
Oh yeah, and you'll
Off you go.
just wait for a while because
No.
we've got to get used to it.
No, get out there. Go on. Works well sitting on the step.
So that float's really good.
Good? Keep me up?
Yeah, no, it feels like I'm right under the water.
Okay.
Just hold them out.
Alright, we'll hold you up, but hold anyone up. I'll have a go then. I'm in trouble again. Oh, you're clever. You're clever.
Yeah,
Yeah, $6 at bloody Kmart, whatever. If you sit upright.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to sit up like. Yeah.
Yeah, depends where you just put it. You put it up higher on your back. It pulls it forward a little bit. No, not really.
Hi everyone, so we enjoyed Point Turton. It was actually really nice. Just a note, depending on the weather obviously, but when we were there it was quite windy, so just be careful of wanting the sea or the ocean front. You might be better off being at the back so you're not getting that bashed by the winds constantly.
Yeah, well, they gave us the back. We were really disappointed because we were on the front. We had like a cliff face behind us, no wind, left our awning out the whole time, talking to everyone across that had the nice view across the front, all whinged.
Yeah,
every single one of them.
all regretted it. So yeah,
that was good.
So just a point. But we're very lucky to have a Manta Ray come right up to us, like basically trying to get right up the steps, wasn't it? That was pretty cool. A couple of stingrays around in the area. The fishing there is silver whiting, tommies and something else that you can fish there. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to do any fishing there, but we will try and do some more fishing along the way.
It just didn't happen, did it?
No.
And then with the wind, last thing you want to do is be sitting out on the jetty with nearly 50 km/h winds.
Yeah, exactly.
People were doing it, but not me.
No. So it's only a little place, but there is a tavern right behind the caravan park, which is really handy. And up the road they have a general store and a petrol station to get your fuel from. And yeah, that's about it. The bike track, there's a bit of a bike track you can do where you can follow the coastline a little bit around and check that out if you're interested, or walking track, bike walking track. And yeah, it's a nice little place to visit. And Hardwick Bay was a nice little beach that you can drive onto, and also on the other side there's Berry Bay if you want to go and visit that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and give us a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you.